Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to learn a very simple Impressionist style landscape. So let's start. So this is the blue color which I am using, and move your hand from left to right. In between I am going to give touch of dark blue also, just to show the shades of sky. Now the same sky portion will show here. It will be the reflection. In this case, here it is water. We are showing the reflection of a tree in the water. Our base is almost ready. We are going to take 3 shades of green and yellow. Okay, these 4 shades we are going to use now. And what we are going to make? We will make some grass on the bank of river. I am using a very old spoiled brush. If you have an old spoiled brush, please use it and dry it properly. Take some paint and start giving strokes up and same way down. So your strokes will go up and down. Not too much paint, less paint. If it is too much paint, it will peel off. So we have to take very limited paint. Side by side, same time we are showing the grass and its shadow in water. Now we'll take another green to show the variety. Not everywhere, but little. Very fast yellow will merge into green and it will give a new shade of green. I am taking sea green in my brush, and on the water side I am showing some waves so that we get the impression of water, that this is a pond. We'll make sure that all the surface of the cloth or paper is covered with the paint. After doing this much work, we will take the brown color paint and a thin brush. Thin means around, this is very thick, 10 number. I am going to take a round brush, and this is 6 number round brush. This is my brown color paint. Okay, any brown will work. And I am going to draw a tree. Look at my hand, how I am showing the branches of the tree. Bring one line straight and then turn. That is how actually the branches of the tree take turn. Now same thing I am going to draw here, the image. But it won't be so straight, okay? Because water is moving. So it will be little shaky. Somewhere complete lines, somewhere broken lines. Now our next step. Our next step is to take this rough brush, any one of the rough brush, and we will draw the flowers. But before that, we'll show some leaves. So we will take green color and we'll do some dabbing. Now same thing here, but not so much, because here water is flowing. After green color, I'm going to take red paint. Wash your brush, dry it properly, because this is mostly the work of dry brush. We'll show touch of red color. It will look like as if a gulmohar tree is growing near the bank of a river. With this, our painting is complete. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing the information about my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.